Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. 10 healthiest foods for muscle growth. Are you skinny or do people call you skinny? Have you ever wondered why you keep exercising and lifting weight to gain muscles but can't gain any muscle? Well, don't worry, because in this video, you will learn about what to eat to help you increase your muscles fast. Building muscle isn't just about aesthetics or bodybuilding, it's also about being healthy and making your body tough enough to support your bones. But did you know that you can't gain muscle from strength training alone? A large part of it is giving your body the right nutrition to boost the effects of your exercise. Here are 10 healthiest foods for muscle growth that you can eat regularly to gain muscles. 1. Chicken. Breast chicken is an excellent source of the protein you need to build muscle. The breast is the best part because it is lean, plus there are many ways for you to prepare and enjoy chicken breast. Just be sure to leave the skin out to minimize your consumption of unnecessary fatty and calories to lean beef. While beef isn't as lean as chicken breast, it is a good source of nutrients that are essential to muscle growth. Among them are B vitamins, zinc and iron. Additionally, it provides amino acids that further help you build strong and healthy muscles. 3. A steaks tool is also an excellent source of protein, but it has the added benefit of omega-3 fatty acids. Apart from reducing the risk of heart disease and improving brain function, omega-3s help reduce belly fat. It also supports joint and bone health. That allows you to develop a leaner and more muscular body. 4. Eggs. Eggs are among the world's healthiest foods, especially for those looking to build lean muscle. It isn't just an excellent source of good quality protein, it is also rich in amino acids, good class choline and vitamin D. To make the most out of it, eat them boiled rather than fried. 5. Whey protein. Whey protein is the most popular health supplement among fitness and bodybuilding enthusiasts for a good reason. They are a convenient source of good quality protein that's easily absorbed by the body. Additionally, though relatively affordable, it's important to note, however, that whey protein is meant as a supplement and not as a replacement for dietary protein from whole foods like meat and fish. 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is composed mostly of casein, a protein found mainly in the milk of cows and other mammals. It is a good option for muscle building because it is a slow digesting protein. Additionally, it is a good source of calcium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, selenium, and phosphorus. 7. Greek yogurt. Generally, Greek yogurt has almost double the protein content of regular yogurt. The best part is that it contains both whey protein and casein because of its excellent combination of both fast and slow digesting proteins. It delivers ample nutrition to your muscles when consumed immediately after a workout, but also continues to provide muscle nourishment throughout the rest of the day. 8. Oatmeal. Contrary to popular belief, you shouldn't swear off carbohydrates completely when you are looking to build muscle, but it would be best if you favored those that score low in the glycemic index. Oatmeal is one of the best sources of carbohydrates because it has an excellent micronutrient profile, provides ample fiber, increases feelings of fullness, and helps give you more energy. 9. Bananas. Bananas are an excellent snack for those who are trying to build muscle because it contains good carbohydrates that fuel the body to work out and move more. Additionally, it has vitamins and minerals like manganese and vitamin B6, which are essential to protein metabolism because of its potassium content. Bananas also help minimize cramping, which is common among those who exercise intensely. 10. Nuts. Nuts are protein-heavy snacks, plus they're rich in good fats which offer a host of benefits to the body. They are also rich in both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. While most nuts are helpful in the right quantities, among your best options are walnuts and almonds when you're looking to be healthier and trying to make your body more robust. Tailor your diet to include these 10 healthiest foods for muscle growth. Consuming more of these foods will help deliver the necessary nutrition to your muscles and help them grow. That way you make the most out of your strength training exercises and enjoy a more substantial, healthier and better looking body. Following our study references we use to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.